Imagine waking up, clicking one button, and a brand new YouTube video is already done for you. Not edited, not scripted, not recorded by you, just finished. Because in this video, I'm going to show you how entire monetized YouTube channels are being replicated and turned into automated content systems using a free Google AI tool. We are talking about scripts generated in seconds, voiceovers created instantly, visuals assembled automatically, and full videos ready in minutes. Now here is where it gets interesting. While most creators are still grinding for months trying to grow, there are channels with less than 10 uploads pulling in hundreds of thousands, even millions of views. I took one of those channels, broke it down, and rebuilt the exact system using NotebookLM, and what came out of it completely changed how I see content creation. In this video, I will show you how to reverse engineer viral channels, extract their winning formula, and turn it into your own automated pipeline so you can produce high-performing videos again and again. Pay close attention because if you miss even a single detail, you will not be able to replicate these results. First, if you want to clone any YouTube channel, you need the right prompts, and I have already provided those in the description so you can access them easily. Now, the real process starts with collecting the channel's data. To replicate a channel properly, you need its video URLs, not just one or two, but all of them in bulk. So instead of copying links one by one, which would take forever, you are going to use a Chrome extension that automates this entire process. Install the extension, pin it to your browser, and then go to the YouTube channel that you want to clone. Once you are on the channel page, simply click on the extension, and it will open a panel where you will see an option to extract URLs. Click on Extract URL, and within a few seconds, it will pull all the video links from that channel. After that, just hit the copy button, and now you have the complete data set of that channel's content. These links are what we will use to rebuild and structure your own channel. So this step is critical because it lays the foundation for everything that comes next. Now the next step is where everything starts coming together. You need to go to NotebookLM, and once you are there, click on Try NotebookLM. After that, you will see an interface appear on your screen. Simply accept the terms and conditions and continue. Once you are inside, go to the top corner and click on Create Notebook. A new panel will open, and here you need to select the option for adding a website or YouTube link. This is where you paste the channel or video URLs that you copied earlier. After pasting them, click on Insert, and within a few seconds, the system will start pulling in all the data from those videos. Once your data is loaded, the next step is to analyze it properly. For that, you will use the prompt document I provided. Copy the analysis prompt from there, go back to NotebookLM, paste the prompt, and hit Generate. The tool will now start breaking down all the content you provided, extracting patterns, structure, and key elements from those videos. Give it a little time to process because this step is important. This is where the system understands how the channel works, and this analysis will be the foundation for generating your own videos in the exact same style. Now that your channel data has been analyzed, this is where you turn that information into something usable. Take all the insights that NotebookLM generated and save them in your Google Doc so you can reuse them later. This becomes your reference system, so you do not have to repeat the same process again. After that, go back to the prompt document I gave you and copy the second section, which is specifically designed to generate channel names. Once you copy that prompt, return to NotebookLM, paste it, and click Generate. Now the tool will start creating multiple channel name ideas based on the data you provided, including the video topics and channel structure you analyzed earlier. These are not random names, they are aligned with what is already working in your niche. You can go through the suggestions, pick the one that fits best, and immediately create your YouTube channel using that name. At this point, your channel identity is ready. But this is where things get even more important, because the next step is where you actually start generating video ideas that have viral potential. And this is what will decide whether your channel grows or stays invisible. Now we move into one of the most important parts of the process, which is generating viral video ideas. Go back to the Google Doc I provided and copy prompt number 3. Once you have copied it, return to NotebookLM and open the same chat where you previously generated your channel name ideas. Paste the prompt there, and you will notice a section in brackets that asks you to insert your channel name. Replace that with the channel name you just selected, then click on Generate. Within a few seconds, the tool will start producing multiple video topic ideas for you, usually around 10. These ideas are not random, they are based on the data and patterns from the viral videos you analyzed earlier, which means they already have a higher chance of performing well. Take a moment to go through them and select the one that stands out the most or fits your direction. Once you have chosen your topic, that is where the real content creation begins, because in the next step, you will turn that idea into a complete, high-performing script designed to go viral. Now that your topic is ready, this is where you turn it into a full video script. First, copy the topic you selected along with its title and description, then go to the top corner inside NotebookLM and click on the option to create a new notebook. This will open a fresh workspace where you can organize your data, add resources, and continue building your video content system step by step. Once the notebook opens, look to the right side and click on Add Resource, then choose the Copy Text option. Paste your topic, title, and description there, and click Insert so it becomes part of your notebook data. After that, go back to the main chat inside NotebookLM where you were generating ideas earlier. Now open the Google Doc again and copy prompt number 4 completely. Return to the NotebookLM chat, paste the prompt, and you will see a section in brackets that says to insert your video topic. Replace that with the topic and description you copied earlier, then click Generate. Within a few moments, the tool will start creating your full video script based on the structure and data it has already analyzed. This script is not random. It follows the same patterns as the viral content you studied earlier, which makes it much more powerful. Give it a few seconds to fully generate, and once it appears on your screen, you will have a complete, ready-to-use script that you can move forward with for production. Now you are almost done, and this is where everything connects together. Go back to the notebook where you added your title and description earlier, and bring the content you prepared into your current notebook. Once you are inside NotebookLM, click on the Add Resource option again, then select Copy Text. Paste your full script into the box and click on Insert. This step adds your final script as a resource, which the system will now use to generate your video. After that, move to the right side panel where you will see multiple options. Here, click on Video Overview. Once you click it, a new interface will appear where you can customize your video. First, choose a theme from the available options, for example, a clean or professional style. Then select your preferred language. After setting everything up, simply click on the Generate button. Now, give it about a minute and the system will start creating your video automatically. It will use your script, structure, and data to generate a complete video, bringing together everything you have built so far into a finished piece of content ready to use. Now your video is ready, and you can preview it directly inside NotebookLM. To download it, simply click on the three-dot menu at the top corner and select the Download option. Your video will be saved to your device. But here's something very important. Even if your video is good, it will not perform well if your title and description are weak. So the next step is optimizing your title. Go back to the Google Doc and copy the next prompt for title generation. Then return to NotebookLM, paste the prompt, and replace the section where it says to insert your topic with your actual video topic. Click Generate, and the tool will give you multiple viral title options. You can review them and select the one that feels the strongest. After choosing your title, the next step is generating your description. Go back to the document again and copy the description prompt. Paste it into NotebookLM, and this time, insert your selected title where required, click Generate, and within seconds, your SEO-optimized description will be ready. At this point, you have your full video, a strong title, and a high-performing description, which means your content is now fully prepared to be uploaded and positioned for maximum reach. Now, this next step is extremely important because your thumbnail is what decides whether people click or ignore your video. To create a high-converting thumbnail, go back to your Google Doc and copy the final prompt. Once you have that, head over to Faceless and click on Create New Project. After entering, select the image option and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 so it fits properly as a thumbnail. Now paste the prompt you copied into the input box, and you will notice it asks for your video title or topic inside brackets. Replace that with your actual title, then click Generate. Within seconds, your thumbnail will be created. If the result is not strong enough, you can refine it by going back to NotebookLM, generating a better visual prompt based on your script or topic, and then using that improved prompt again inside Faceless to create a more attractive thumbnail. Once your thumbnail looks clean, clear, and clickable, you now have everything ready. You have your video, your script, your title, your description, and your thumbnail. At this point, you fully understand how to replicate a YouTube channel, break down what works, and rebuild it into your own automated system. Now it is just about execution, so if this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.
You know that feeling, right? When a quiet night in with your pet just feels better, more healing than a big night out with friends. Well, if that's you, you are definitely not alone. Today we're going to dive into the really deep reasons why so many of us find more comfort in the company of animals than people.
Yeah, let that one sink in for a second. Have you? Because that feeling when you walk through the door and there's just this explosion of pure, simple, uncomplicated joy waiting for you. That stands in such sharp contrast to the messiness of human relationships, doesn't it?
And look, if that question hit home for you, this is the most important thing you're going to hear today. There's absolutely nothing wrong with you. This isn't a flaw in your character. Far from it. As we're about to see, it's actually a really smart survival strategy that your mind is cooked up to protect you.
Okay, so let's break this down. We're going to look at 3 kinds of psychological profiles. First up is the betrayed soul. Now, this isn't someone who just hates everybody. Not at all. This is someone who's been really deeply hurt by people they trusted.